India has such a diverse cuisine and we have amazing recipes in every part of the country. You go to any part of the country, you will definitely find food according to your palate. I am sharing a beautiful recipe of South India, that is Andhra Chilli Chicken. So for this I require onion. So I have taken one large onion for this. You can take chicken with bone or without bone, just cut into small pieces. Well, I prefer with bone. Now for this we need to marinate chicken. Now for the marination it's quite simple. I require salt, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, that is dahi, and very important, that is green chilies. Just mix it up. Now I have to prepare a paste, a very simple green paste. For this I require coriander. This is fresh coriander, green chilies, actually lot of green chilies, curry leaves. Use half of the sliced onions and make a fine paste. So the paste is ready and our chicken is also marinated. Now heat oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds and curry leaves. As they start to crackle, add half of the sliced onion. Do not give color, just sweat it. Now add marinated chicken. Saute your chicken over high heat. Add salt according to your taste. Some black pepper powder. Now guys, use high flame to cook this chicken. Now add this green paste. So you need to cook this chicken over high heat till the time you get it your right consistency. Now add some more green chilies and saute for 1 or 2 minutes. So as you can see guys, Andhra chili chicken is ready. I'm going to serve it as a starter. I hope guys you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, it's so simple. Please do try this. It has minimum ingredients and this tastes amazing. The only thing that you guys should love hot and spicy food. So please like, share and subscribe if you like this recipe. Thank you so much.